Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We posted a video earlier of rice fields ready for harvest. Now let us check how we do the rice planting or PAGTAROK in Bikol. They are planting rice, or they are doing tarok there. That's how rice is planted. If you're not from southern Luzon, or you're not from Southeast Asia, you're from Europe, etc., we're in a place where there's not much rice fields. Here's how we do it. The Philippines is an agricultural country, and we taught the other Southeast Asian neighbors how to properly maximize their rice fields. But then now the situation of our rice farmers are quite difficult, and that we have been overtaken by our neighbors such as Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam when it comes to rice production. But anyway, we're still doing our best. Join me again next time for another video. Check my other videos on the outdoors, hiking, blade culture, etc., farming. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword.